A projectile is projected with kinetic energy of 800 joule. If it has the maximum possible horizontal range, then its kinetic energy at the highest point will be A 800 joule, B 400 joule, C 200 joule, D 100 joule. It means when projectile is projected with the kinetic energy of 800 joule, means its initial kinetic energy is 800 joule and it has the maximum horizontal range. So its kinetic energy at the highest point, means what will be its kinetic energy at the highest point. So we will calculate the kinetic energy at the highest point. So the kinetic energy at the highest point is calculated by the formula is 1 upon 2 m v cos theta whole square. So 1 upon 2 m, the square of v is v square and is the square of cos theta is cos square theta. So ke at maximum height is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square cos square theta, as the angle which is given is, means the projectile is projected and at the with the kinetic energy of 800 joule and it has the maximum possible horizontal range, means the angle is 45, the horizontal range will be maximum at 45 degree. So the angle is obtained as 45. So by putting the angle, kinetic energy at highest point is equal to 1 upon 2 m v square cos square theta, means cos 45 degree whole square. So the value of cos 45 degree is 1 upon under root 2. So by putting this value, the kinetic energy will be Ke will be equal to 1 upon 2 mv square into 1 upon under root 2 whole square, as the initial kinetic energy is 800 joule. So by putting the value of 800 joule in place of this, so Ke at highest points will be equal to 800 into the square of 1 is 1 and the square of under root 2 is 2. So the table of 2 on 2 is 1 time and on 800 is 400 times. So the kinetic energy at highest point is obtained as 400 joule. So the correct option is B 400 joule. Means a projectile is projected with the kinetic energy of 800 joule. If it has the maximum possible horizontal range, then its kinetic energy at the highest point will be at 400 joule.